Hello and welcome. I'm Sue Ann with the Mix Sizzle and Shake Your Business podcast. Today, I'm coming to you with a little video about a blogging tip of the day, maybe of the week or the month or the year, because this blogging tip is so important to you to grow a successful content hub and to gain notice in attracting attention and gaining attention for your blog and business. And what it comes down to is a consideration of your site structure. So when we talk about site structure, we need to hone in on our Cornerstone content pages, which are key pages, also known as pillar content, that have a lot to do with the framework and the course structure, not the course, excuse me, the framework and the content structure that we bring through our website and our blog that is a signal to both Google and to people to let them know what we're all about. So please check out this little bit of a video about Cornerstone content. Thanks for being here and checking out the Mix, Sizzle, and Shake Your Business podcast. I'm Sue Ann with Right Mix for Business. Take care. This is a Bling Your Blog presentation with Sue Ann from Right Mix for Business. Our new series for Bling Your Blog is Blogging Tip of the Day. So hang on, here comes Sue Ann. So Cornerstone content, why is it important? How is that the center of what makes it kill? And should it be a CTA from your Cornerstone? Because that's one perspective that green piece, that's where you want to really think about putting those well thought through lead magnets so that that's already a heavy page because you're linking to it, you're sending traffic to it, it's gaining SEO if you do it properly. This is a page you definitely want to be concentrating your SEO more than any other is for your Cornerstone and pillar pages. And so you want to have a strategy and a plan when you attack these Cornerstone pages. You want to make sure that you educate and inform when you do this. You want these pages to take that deep dive into quality. And they are usually long form because they are covering the topic generally in a big way, like completely into it. And then you want to make sure that you bring it to people in an original way because you know what? You're covering topics that other people cover or that your competitor covers or, that is out there. So if you can put that original spin on it, to make it more interesting and exciting, if you can put that original media to bump it up, because as we know, visuals are going to be more easy for people to get through your content, more digestible, better flow, all those things. And then you're going to want to look at link structure and anchor text. And believe it or not, that link structure and anchor text from within your site to your own Cornerstone pages holds more water in SEO practically than anything. What they all seem to be guiding to is having your Cornerstone pieces, your pillar pieces be pages. Because you're looking to make them evergreen, because you're make them like a highlighted piece of your content, that you're going to link a lot of other stuff back to it because it's that key page. And you're going to do that research so that you're 10 timing it. What are the gaps that people didn't cover? What can you cover in a new way? What can you add your thought leadership to? What can you do better than anyone else? What HubSpot is saying is you want to have a unique purpose for each Cornerstone page because these are your core topics. These are your anchor link pages. You want to have a unique purpose, a CTA to each one. But what I want to say is this. If you use these hubs and these content structures and these silos and these pyramids, any of the above or a combination of those three things that we just went over, you can help avoid cannibalization because you're going to take one key, like Mike said, you're going to work from one keyword in your top level content, but then everything below it is going to start working more. And this is also what HubSpot says. You're going to start working on pulling out into more long tail content. So your keywords become long tail, and that is how you surround the topic without repeating yourself. Like I did like 20 things that my keyword was content marketing, when I started, because what do I know? I thought, I'm really telling them that's my keyword, but it doesn't work that way. You cannibalize your own content. You hurt your core page, your main page that you want to grab that juice, you take it off of your own self if you don't plan it this way. Very interesting, I think. And I'm just going to say that I hope that you are enjoying the journey to learn about how to bling your blog. And I hope that all the pieces that I'm trying to put together for you in creating a good and significant content plan that supports your marketing and your structure and your topics all fall into place by building out slowly from the blog's eye view into the blog strategy and results and content marketing that you're trying to accomplish, and then into developing a site structure that serves people and SEO in order to get your blog noticed and in order to build your business from your blog and from a blogging perspective.